Welcome, viewers. Are you looking for the best file shredder software to eliminate irrelevant data files from your computer permanently? In today's video, we bring to you the 4 best free file shredder software of 2024. So, let's buckle down. Securing the #1 spot is Macube. It is a top-notch Mac-compatible file shredder software that efficiently removes various unwanted data files from your Mac, including photos, videos, and documents, safeguarding your privacy by clearing browser cookies and history. With features like a one-click erase, file shredding capabilities for over 10 types of macOS files, and additional tools for uninstalling apps and managing duplicates, Macube ensures a safe and user-friendly experience. The software offers a 7-day trial with full features for users to explore its capabilities. Number 2 is WipeFile. WipeFile is a professional Windows tool that securely deletes files using a quick process, preventing any trace of the files from remaining on the system. By employing 14 distinct erasing techniques, including those meeting US Air Force and Navy standards, it ensures that deleted files leave no traces for data recovery tools. WipeFile operates on Windows 7 and 8.8, 1.10, Vista, and XP, featuring a user-friendly interface for ease of use. However, it is limited to some Windows systems. Next in the 3rd position is an Android OS version and tablets-compatible tool, FShred. FShred is an ideal investment. This software effectively erases redundant files like temporary files, duplicate photos, and unused apps that may impede Android performance. It can remove more than 20 files at a time without any complications. At number 4 is iShredder, commonly used by Apple mobile users. iShredder is a reliable tool for secure data removal from your iOS devices and Mac computer systems, ensuring a swift and efficient process without complications. This software operates at a notably high speed, selectively targeting specific files without interfering with others. iShredder effectively shreds various digital files on your iPhone, including videos, audio, messages, and more, even allowing for the clearance of browsing history. These are the 4 best free file shredder software of 2024. It's your turn to make the optimal decision. Stay tuned with Macube Cleaner to access more content on storage clearup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.